Hey everyone, so today I'm doing the colours day. I keep on saying colours day, I'm making up a new thing. I'm so tired.
Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would say too many times, too many times.
It is okay, so I have been wearing this to work all day and now it is 1:43. Yeah, 1:43, and let's see how this foundation has stood put. So it actually is all still on apart from where the glasses sit as usual, and yeah, it's all stayed on there, so it hasn't moved at all. I'm really pleased with that. I'm shocked actually. Normally with the full coverage foundations they do normally go more oily and break down more, and I'm pretty impressed with that, especially for the price too. I will link down below where you can get it, and there's a few shops you can get it. It's just a Superdrug. It's just a drugstore kind of foundation, so there is quite a few places where you can get it, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So I will come back in a few hours and just see if it's held up a bit better. So in my word for a day, I am testing out the Maybelline, maybe it's Maybelline, no, so today obviously I'm testing out the Maybelline Superstay foundation, but I just went and washed my hair, which I'm sure it'll probably look a bit funny. Yeah, let's see. Ooh. Oh, okay. So obviously washing my hair, it's probably going to be all around here would be affected, but you know what, the only bit that is off is actually around here. And whenever I was washing my hair, obviously over the bath, I could feel this one bit of water like dripping down, and I was just thinking, oh crap, like that is gonna just take off the makeup there, and I'm supposed to be doing the work for a day situation. Smart thinking, Debbie, smart thinking. Yeah, but no, I can't see it affecting it at all. It hasn't affected it at all. Yeah, I'm happy. So I'm gonna go and dry my hair and see how the heat reacts to this. Yeah, let's go. So it is my last check-in for tonight, and it is 8:10. I won't be able to see that, but yeah, it's 8:10, and yeah, so I've dried the hair and painted the nails. Okay, so let's look at the makeup now. Okay, so obviously the bit round where washing my hair is away, it is starting to go a little patchy around here. Chin, the nose is stayed on, like it's stayed on my nose, which never normally happens, apart from obviously you can see the spot here. But yeah, really good. I'm really impressed with that. So yeah, I would actually recommend that, as I said, especially for the price for a high coverage foundation. Thumbs up from me. And yeah, I'm going now. So that is me done for work for a day. And yes, check out my other videos. So go check out my other videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Yes, please. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!